So welcome, prospective POSTECH students. My name is Professor John Strassner. I actually started as a distinguished visiting professor that was recruited by the world-class university program. But I liked the program, and more importantly, I liked Korea and POSTECH so much that I've actually transitioned from a visiting professor to a full-time faculty member employed here at POSTECH. A little bit about me. I have about 34 years of industry background. I was a vice president and fellow at Motorola, at Juniper, and at Cisco. I had senior executive positions at Oracle and Ingress. I had my own startup company, which was actually sold to IBM, so that was successful. And before that, I worked for about 15 years in aerospace and defense related companies, all of this in the US and Europe. I've published 2 books. I'm the editor of 5 journals. I have about 240 refereed journal and conference papers. So I get around. I'm well known in the industry. One of the reasons that I made the transition from a visiting professor to full-time faculty is not just because of the great research facilities here at POSTECH and the wonderful life here at Korea, but because of the ability to work with very well-known other distinguished professors in this very unique program, this program of IT Convergence Engineering, ITCE. I've also transitioned here because I find the work ethic of the Korean student to be exemplary. You're all my only complaint is that you're a little bit shy sometimes, but you're very, very easy to work with. You're very hard workers. All the students that I've taught, and especially the students that I am supervising or co-supervising right now, I'm also proud of you. There's nothing that I could ask more of any of them. So these are reasons why I've decided to teach here full-time. More about the POSTECH ITCE, IT Convergence Engineering Division. The head of the department is, of course, Professor Hong Wonki. And I lead the autonomics department within this division. What's interesting about ITCE is the fact that it's a unique, one-of-a-kind program. I know of no other program like this anywhere else in the world. So that's pretty exciting. What makes it more exciting is that convergence, a synonym for convergence is fusion, combining 2 separate things and producing a third thing that is bigger than the sum of the 2 individual things. And that's what we're doing here in POSTECH. We're taking nanotechnology, bioinformatics, communication and networking, and also autonomics, and we're combining them in a very unique way so that they help each other. The strengths of all of them are combined to produce the world's first and best new program, And this new program, in my opinion, will not only generate new products and new technologies, I believe that it'll generate brand new industries. So the future of Korea and even the future of the world can start here, now, in POSTECH ITCE. I think that the things that you will learn here are only limited by you. You are surrounded by world-class experts, both Korean and foreign, in each of these 4 areas: nano, bio, networking, and autonomics. What we try and do is allow you to specialize in one of these areas while ensuring that you understand all 4. And how better to do that than to conduct intensive research, but also make you well-rounded, help you build projects that you can then write about in conference and journal papers to help your career in the future. In summary, I would encourage you, if you have any questions whatsoever, to please call me or email me. My email is very simple: johns, Johns, @postech.ac.kr, or please feel free to contact our administrative staff, Ms. Kim Minji, Ms. Che Hiju, and they'll be very happy to answer any and all questions. It would be my delight and honor to talk with you all, to give you a tour of our lab and our facilities, and to answer any other questions that you have. Thank you for taking time to listen to me, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye.